Hello people! Today we will look about how to fix free message, unable to send message, message blocking is active, error while messaging. So hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossip Funda. So let's not waste our time for it, let's go! Solution 1. Allowing Premium Access. The Premium Access feature is required by some messaging application to send messages properly. Therefore, in this step, we will be allowing premium access to the messaging app that we are using from the settings. For that, first, drag down the notification panel and click on the settings icon. Click on application and then select apps. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Select special access from the list of options. Then tap on the premium SMS access option. Click on the application for which you want to allow it and select Ask. Check to see if the issue persists. Solution 2. Contacting official support. In case you are using a T-Mobile connection, we recommend contacting the official customer support. The technician will either provide you with the step-by-step guide or remotely fix the error. Solution 3. Check if your phone number is active. In many cases, the users have reported encountering this error message after their number is deactivated permanently. If that's the case, you will have to contact the customer support to reactivate your number. Solution 4. Confirm that text messaging services are enabled on your account. If you are still facing the same issue, there is a possibility that text messaging services might have been deactivated on your mobile. This usually happens when you have not paid the phone bill or have reached the maximum text messaging limit. That's it guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossip Funda.